Hi there, my name is Tracy Lee, and I teach business statistics and supply chain classes for the College of Business and Economics.
Hi, I'm Cole Montgomery. I'm a senior at Boise State University, and I'm a human resources management major.
So you're in your last semester. If you could go back and tell yourself something in your first semester, what would it be now?
Probably reach out to my professors more my freshman year than I did later in the sophomore year. When I first came to Boise State, I didn't really think that I needed to reach out to someone. And when I finally did, I realized that not only am I opening myself up for success with schooling, but I'm opening myself up for a career. And so I think having professors who allow you to open up their door for you, start your career and start your college life and your tenure at Boise State. And that's like exactly what I wanted when I came here. And getting that opportunity, I believe, will help me with my successful career.
Absolutely. Now that you say that, I realize not every college has their own branch of the career services team just for their majors. Students are in school to get to their future, right? Their future job, their future career, their future goals. And we want to provide resources beyond the classroom for that. So I'm really glad that you're making use of those resources and finding that they helped you to get acclimated to Boise State.